Hi, Lola. Hi. Hi, CYkaniki here. Welcome back to my channel.
Yes. Hindi niya channel, guys. Channel ko to. Guys, welcome back. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Be a part of this family by by subscribing and clicking the bell button so that you will be notified in my upcoming videos. And today we have a special guest. I'm so excited because this is the first ever collab in personal. I have a lot of collabs before sa digital world, but then right now, personal as in physical.
Physical na siya.
Pretty physical. Okay, so I'm here with one and only Cebu's finest reactors. He's the first Cebuano na reactor sa YouTube, guys, who does reaction videos. So you need to check him out. Jet, can you please introduce yourself?
Hi guys, this is Jet from the Philippines. I am a reactor, so if you're new to this channel, you can go ahead and click the subscribe button down there. Yes, the red button that says subscribe, and please hit the notification bell so you can go ahead and you will be notified once she uploads the videos.
Yes. Follow him, guys.
Oh yeah, if you have some Facebook account or Twitter, you can go ahead. The links will be put on the description box.
All the links in his social media channel nasa description box. So after watching this video,
we will gonna go ahead and put my videos. Lalagay po namin yung video namin. Collab din sa
channel niya.
Hindi ako marunong mag-Tagalog.
You can speak English though. It's okay. They can understand you.
Okay. Well, pasensya guys. I'm really so sorry guys, but I am very nervous today because...
Me as well. This is the first time, right? So today guys, we're going to create a makeup look. I don't know what we're going to do, but I'm going to transform Jet into something gorgeous, beautiful. Yes, and be excited. And without further ado, we're going to hop into the video. Are you excited?
Yes, I am really excited guys.
After this, you need to watch the other video in his channel, okay?
Yep.
So again, without further ado, let's hop into the video.
Okay,
so
go.
First guys, we're going to clean Jet's face.
We're going to do Q&A. Q&A / transformation. I'm going to ask Cyka
Pressure.
some random questions.
To use the benefit primer.
Wow. So, start tayo. Miss Cyka, what year did you start doing makeup?
Maybe I started nung nasa theater pa until
So you sing?
no,
Dance
choreographer talaga. Dance.
Wow.
Oo.
By the way guys, I saw at Cyka's Dancing Cebuana. It's way back 3 months ago.
Yes. Foundation. Pinanakan.
Personally, Cyka, what is your favorite foundation?
Ako, super love ko tong Maybelline Fit Me. Drugstore na lumalaban. Promise.
Really?
Yes.
Is it really nice ba compare sa Dream Satin?
I like Dream Satin as well, but then mas gusto ko tong Fit Me.
Why?
Nang blend kasi later on nagbi-blend siya ng maganda sa skin.
Oh?
Yes, hindi siya nagpa-patch. I don't know, maybe because I'm oily. My face is oily.
Me too as well. I am also oily, especially in the T-zone.
This is the dupe for Real Techniques, guys. Yung eye daw galit na
So it's expensive.
No, it's not expensive. Ito, 164.
Oh.
Tapos it's very good. Para siyang beauty blender.
So what's the difference between beauty blender and that?
Beauty blender is too expensive, 1,000. This one is 164.
Is it legit or like?
Yeah. Local brand lang to.
It is my first time, by the way, to do makeup with a professional.
Conceal natin dito. Konti.
So what's the use of concealer, especially in the lower eye part?
To reduce blemishes or reduce the dark spots. Hey, magsusuper highlight tayo today.
sensitive. Did you know ba? I don't like someone is touching in my nose.
Wala.
It's really
Wala
gilok.
na-mention ni mo sa mga ano.
It's really gilok, oo.
Eh,
Like there's something pointing in my...
sorry.
But in this channel, we'll do that.
Thank you.
Exception. So, if ever given a chance Ate Cyka, like, you do collab man other YouTuber.
No, I'm ashamed.
Ano mo?
I'm not that big YouTuber to collab.
Oh, what makes you decide man to have a collaboration with me, man? I'm not a big YouTuber, sad ba
No,
yan?
because I don't know. I just feel comfortable with
No.
people. If I don't feel comfortable, I don't do such thing. I don't want to be fake, that's it. There are some, I don't know, I don't want to mention, but there are some YouTubers na if you're going to place your camera on them, they tend to, lay back. Di nila gustong mapunta sa channel mo or something.
Oh, really?
Ay, big YouTuber siya. But then, oh no, censored. I don't know.
No?
I always plug YouTubers kung nandyan man siya sa event or whatsoever. Nilalagay ko talaga yung mga links talaga. But some YouTubers don't like na
If given a chance, why not? It's really fun. It's really fun making videos, guys. Especially, meeting people. It's really nice kaya.
Yeah, super. Ako rin, but then they don't like me. I don't know, maybe of my attitude.
Huh?
Some, ayaw nila.
Shade! I'm really curious na.
Do you find my attitude annoying, especially when I'm vlogging? Sometimes if you're watching my videos. Oh, straight to the point, ganun.
Honestly, no.
Okay, thank you.
Honestly, I don't...
Because I feel that you don't like my attitude, but I'm just
Like what kind of
real.
attitude? It's like...
Maybe I'm noisy or... I'm noisy in all my vlogs. Because I'm too friendly, maybe that's why you don't like. Just,
Do you find it like too annoying because you're too
maybe.
friendly?
I don't know. Blending is the key.
Blend. But most of the time they are here in Cebu nga, YouTuber, like more than travel.
Usually travel jud ang mga tao. Like this concealer, the LA Girl, but if you're going to be lazy on blending, it's super patchy, so you need to blend it agad-agad. Brush from Real Techniques. I'm using full.
If you're watching my videos or like if you are a subscriber, I am just a small YouTuber here in Cebu
Pareho
and
tayo
baking na.
Yes. Relax lang, bros.
I'm actually nervous, guys.
Okay, we're going to...
Oh, by the way, Tiniki, have you ever met your subscribers? But like random lang.
Random, yes. I was able to meet some kasi sa mall maglalakad ka. Ay, I know you! Nakasubscribe ko talaga ganun. Parang
Really?
ang ganda ng feeling. We're going to do the eyeshadow, guys. Tapos na yung kilay namin.
Is it okay to put eyeshadow on my crease because it's really
Okay lang. Smoky. We're going to do smoky eyes. Ganon. Oh.
Ate Cyka, what is your first ever negative and bad comment?
Ay, nako. The comment that I had on my Flores de Mayo, she told me na para daw I look like Bisayang Katulong. So until now, I will never forget that one. So beware.
You're so road.
Oh, yeah, you're so
road.
I told her, yeah, it's true. I'm a Bisaya and I'm a Katulong because I'm a servant of God. I'm not ashamed of it.
See? Merong back. Mine was, since I am a Filipino and then I have a lot of comments.
I saw some.
My first bad comment kay, pwede mag-Tagalog ka na lang.
Yeah.
Kasi if you are a Filipino and then you have to embrace it. It's like,
Mostly, I think 80% of his viewers are foreigners, so that's
Yes.
why.
Especially,
Filipinos are flexible. They can understand English naman. So,
exactly.
pero meron talagang
And then, They don't like my videos, so I'm sorry guys.
Why
but
are they there in the first place?
So again, if you don't like this channel, then go move forward. I always say to my viewers that if you don't like this video, go ahead and skip it.
Yes.
You know.
Can you close your eyes? We did a smoky eyes. So we're going to tight line again. This is my favorite liner, the master liner. Kasi super ganda niya, especially for the bride. Kasi di ba mga brides, nagka-cry. So hindi siya nagsismudge. Oh, the fuck. Yeah. We're going to use these lashes, guys. This is Y66 lashes from Jethology. I'm stacking on 2 eyelashes for this lip.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god.
We're going to use the roller mascara, guys, para malilift pa ng konti. Look down. The use of this is to make sure that the false eyelashes and the original lashes will look like one. That's why you really need to put on black mascara underneath the original one.
Parang say about that. Hi, welcome back to my channel. More juicy about rap. More gano.
Kaya ko niya kay natural glow.
Glow. Ito.
Mara siya gwa, pero So since the eyes is super smoky already, so we're going to use neutral lip shade
What's the use of pencil?
to emphasize even more the shape of the lips, and then to conceal the line. Sometimes the line of the lips is a little bit darker to the original one. The inner part of your lips, so that's why.
Wow.
We're going to go for a gradient effect, parang Korean, so we're going to use a darker shade on the inner side of Jet's lips. Parang Korean. Cute. Okay, next, we're going to use this tiramisu pala from Jordana. Okay, tapos blend. Let's blend lang konti. And then lip gloss. And we're almost done. Ang tagal naming natapos. Tapos sa mga daldalan portions. We're not going to overdraw Jet's lips because mas gusto ko yung natural na niya. So that it will be worn kahit everyday. Pwede naman siyang everyday look kahit smoky eyes kasi hindi naman siya super exaggerated.
Yeah. Ang ganda.
Ganon. Tapos, we're going to be back and put on something.
Yep.
Yan. And that's it, guys. So we're done. This is the finished look. So what can you say?
I
Super
really
beautiful. So aura best. Yan. Woo! Walang makeup.
I really like it. Personally, I like the makeup, especially. My God, ito yung kilay, oh.
Thank
Oh my
you for
God.
liking it. So we're going to do the aura thing now. Oh, yan. Nice. Super love. Love it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And
Yes.
go to Jet's channel. We're doing a video sa channel niya. So don't forget to visit. And all the links will be listed down below. So thank you so much for watching. Sarang hem.
Bye.
Bye. Heart.
Opa.
Bye-bye.
Hi guys, my name is Jet from the Philippines. If you're new to this channel, my God.
Subscribe to
Okay, again, balik ka, uy. Nawakan.